Hi, this is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and HighTex Sewing Machines. And today we're going to do a feature video on our model 71008 computerized webbing sewing machine. This sewing machine is an ideal sewing machine for individuals who want to sew harnesses made out of nylon webbing, also individuals who are interested in doing nylon tow straps for cars, also nylon cargo lashes made out of nylon webbing as well. So a lot of people ask themselves, well, there seems to be an awful lot of nylon webbing, computerized nylon webbing sewing machines available on the market. And in fact there are, but certain features on this Cowboy model 71008 set it apart from the rest of the sewing machines that you may see available for sale elsewhere. For instance, we have our own customized clamping system that we use on the sewing machine, which is very unique and unavailable anywhere else in the industry. We also have our own special guards that we designed for the sewing machine, which are unavailable anywhere else. These guards are extremely durable and also very functional. In addition, we have our a computerized control box underneath, which is entirely of our own design. And also, if you notice underneath the sewing machine, you won't see any cords or electrical connections or anything like that that's exposed. And the reason why we do that obviously is for safety reasons, but also it presents a much cleaner looking project, or a much cleaner looking machine rather, and it also allows for less chance of any of the hoses becoming disconnected or anything like that. So if you look at the sewing machine, you can see it's very clean, very streamlined in operation, and that makes it very nice and very efficient for individuals who want to use this in a high production environment. So I'm going to go ahead and have my assistant Bob over here go ahead and start the sewing process on the machine. And you can see here we're sewing a basic box X pattern on the machine. And now we're going to go ahead and change patterns. So Bob's going to go ahead and move the material over, and he's going to start the next pattern. Bob's going to show you the sample so I can show you. So what we've got here is a typical box X pattern that's used in harness construction. A lot of times you'll see this in maybe arborist industry or safety harness industry. Also you see this type of pattern which is also used in the harness industry, safety harness industry and so forth. But take a look at the back side of the stitching. You can see it looks very clean. Also, if you take a look at this side of the stitching, the top side, you can see it's also very clean. One of the hallmarks of a very competent sewing machine is its ability to compress these layers of nylon webbing during sewing, and you can see that these are so compressed that I cannot hardly bend this piece. So this piece has become unitized almost into one single piece. It's almost just like a board per se. So that's one of the hallmarks of an extremely well-built computerized bar tack sewing machine, is its ability to compress those layers of nylon webbing together and make them seem as though they're almost one piece. So as a recap on the 71008, it is an excellent sewing machine for doing nylon webbing, oftentimes used in the arborist industry and the safety industry, also in the heavy sling industry and so forth. This machine is a very good machine for doing nylon webbing. So if you have any additional questions about this machine, please feel free to contact me directly. My name is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and HighTex Sewing Machines. I can be reached at area code 330-692-1418, and I do thank you for your time today.